Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to log out of a device on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're managing your account's security or simply need to sign out from a specific device, this guide will help you navigate the updated process with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or an icon representing your account. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand into more options. Choose Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps track of various actions associated with your account, including login sessions. Next, navigate to the Security and Login Information section within the Activity Log. Here, you'll find an overview of where your account is currently logged in. This is a crucial feature for managing devices and ensuring your account's security. Now, locate the section labeled Where You're Logged In. This will display all devices and locations where your Facebook account is active. Look for the specific device you want to log out from. Perhaps it's a shared computer or a mobile device you no longer use. To proceed, click on the three dots next to the device name or location. A small menu will appear with options. Select Log Out. Once you confirm this action, Facebook will immediately end the session on that device. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of a device on Facebook using your PC. This simple yet effective process ensures that your account remains secure and accessible only from trusted devices. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their Facebook accounts. Stay safe online.